In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a layer without its fill in Figma. This is really useful when you only want the stroke or outline of an object, or you want to export something with a transparent center without having to rebuild the shape from scratch. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can follow along easily in your own Figma file. First, open your Figma file. This can be any existing project or a new one you've just created. Once the file is open, select the layer you want to export. This could be a shape, a frame, a component, or any object on your canvas. Make sure it is highlighted in the Layers panel so you know you're working on the correct element. With the layer selected, look over to the right-hand side of the screen in the Design panel. Here, you'll see the properties for that layer, including its fill and stroke settings. Find the fill section. You should see a color swatch, and next to it, an eye icon that controls the visibility of the fill. To remove the fill from your export, you don't need to delete it. Instead, simply click on the eye icon next to fill to hide it. When the eye icon is turned off, the fill becomes invisible, but the stroke and other properties stay intact. On the canvas, you should now see only the outline or stroke of your layer, or nothing at all if it had no stroke. This is exactly what will be exported. Now, keep that same layer selected and stay in the right-hand panel. Scroll down until you find the export section at the bottom. Click on the plus icon to add an export setting if there isn't one already. Choose the format you want, such as PNG, JPG, SVG, or PDF, depending on how you plan to use the asset. PNG and SVG are usually best if you want to preserve transparency. Once your export options are set, simply click the export button. Figma will generate the file based on how the layer currently looks, which now excludes the fill you hid earlier. Save the exported file to your desired location on your computer.